Hey everybody, this is a tutorial on the basics of Flash CS4. Is brought to you by the animation base. So let's go ahead and get started. Make a new document. I picked Action Strip 3, but it doesn't matter what you pick. Um, okay, so first you will see that this toolbar is actually over here. All I did was clicked on the top piece and dragged it over because this is how it was set up in Flash CS3 and MX, and it just is easier for me to use. Your properties are over here. As you can see, you have your document file, you have the name of your document. We're using Flash Player 10 and ActionScript 3, and also the important things here is the FPS, which is the frames per second. This is how fast your animation will play at, along with the stage size, which you can edit and put whatever size you want, along with the background color. And this is just to change the color also. So you have a bunch of preset colors that you can choose whatever you want. So, oops, okay. Up here you have the zoom in. You can zoom in up to 800%, or you can put in a custom percentage. I think it goes up to 2000%, I think maybe. Yeah, it only goes at 2000%. Well, actually not only, but that's quite a bit. Okay, so let's get started. Over here you have your selection tool. It does basic things like selecting your different objects on the stage. You have your sub-selection tool. I'll do this in another tutorial. We'll do there's a few that I'm not going to do in this one because I have to be brief. The free transform tool. If you select your rectangle, make a rectangle on the stage, select your free transform tool, left click, drag over top, you will see all these different boxes around your object or rectangle. This lets you change the size. If you go in between two boxes, you can skew it. You can also rotate it. You can do virtually like anything with sizing it. So that's that one. The 3D rotation tool and translation tool I've already done in a tutorial. Your lasso tool, you just can cut off different parts of your object. So say if you don't want the corner like I just did, you just left click, drag, make a loop, and delete it. Next, I'll do the text tool. You basically pick it, click wherever you want. You can type whatever you want to type in. You can go over here, change the color, change the size, the letter spacing, the different font types. You pick whatever you want. And if you want it to be centered, align left, it's just like the word options. So, and that's all we'll do for there. Next is your line tool, basic, you just make lines. When you have this clicked, snap to objects, you will see that it will snap to a line. So that is those tool. Your rectangle tool, if you left click and hold, you have your oval tool, rectangle primitive tool, your oval primitive tool, and polystyrene tool. So next, the pencil tool, the basic function, just drawing anywhere on the stage. Your brush tool, you can change the brush shot size right here, and your brush type. When you left click and hold, you will see the spray brush tool, and just like in Paint. The deco tool is when you click it, you will see something like this start to appear, and you can make your own, and I'll show you how to in another tutorial. Next, there is the bone tool, which you can check out my other tutorials for that. Tutorial on it. The paint bucket tools are just basic. You can select your fill and paint in the fill colors of the rectangles. Your ink bottle is used for the stroke color, which is the borderline around your, here I'll use different colors so you can see, around your boxes or rectangles. The eyedropper is to select a color, so if you don't know exactly what it is, you can just click it, and in your fill box, you'll see that it has become that color. There's the eraser tool, and you can just erase away whatever you want. The hand tool, which you can move around the stage with, and the zoom tool. Also, that's the stroke color, and if you want no stroke, you just pick that. And this is the fill color, and if you don't want to fill, you just put that. And thanks for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe.